guys, so today I'm going to be applying a wig that I made from Ali Pearl. This was my first time getting 27 colored bundles, and when I got the bundles, it's kind of like a strawberry blonde kind of color. I don't like how the frontal look without a dark root. I added my own dark root using the root touch up, and I showed how to add a dark root to a wig in my teal wig video, and I'll put that on the info card for you guys. That made a huge difference with this wig. So the wig originally came all this color here, which is like a honey blonde, strawberry blonde kind of color. This root is for women that have dark auburn hair, and I feel like that was more of a subtle root than getting something that was darker like a black, and I think that looks really nice. I constructed this wig using the hot glue gun method, and I have made like 3 videos showing you guys how I do that, so I'll put that on the info card as well. That's just the easiest and most convenient way for me to make my wigs. And yeah, so they sent me 3 bundles, and I used only 2 of the bundles in this wig. As far as the knots, I did not bleach my knots this time. I told you guys in my last like human hair review, I tried the Sally Hansen spray tan to faux bleach my knots, and it actually does work, so I did that this time. It works, but I still see my knots in some places. So I'm going to try this on. I have already applied my stocking cap. I've only done the stocking cap method one other time. It's pretty, to me, it's pretty inconvenient. It takes a long time for the front to dry and everything. But I plan on wearing this overnight. So I usually don't do that, but I'm going to do that this time. I did put some foundation like on the front of the cap as well. I still do not have the stocking cap method completely down pat, because around my ears I always cut up too high, as you can see, and then a little bit of my hair is exposed, and that kind of defeats the purpose of doing the stocking cap method if you have some of your hair exposed. Like I have a little bit of the front of my hair exposed, and then around my ear. So I have to get better at doing that. So I'm just gonna try it on so you guys see what it looks like before I do anything to it. So this is what it looks like right now. Initially I thought this was like a silky texture, but it feels like it has a little bit of like kink to it. But I feel like my root looks really good. So what I'm gonna do now is pull this hair back. Alright guys, so I'm back and I finally have finished styling this wig, and I feel like the dark root definitely transformed this wig, and I feel like I did a good job with customizing the front of the wig. It took me a while to get it like this. I had to keep going back and tweezing more of the hairline and then trimming back the lace, because that's something that I tend to still struggle with a little bit, is having too much lace still left on the front of the wig. So even after it dried, I still was going back with the scissors and trimming off some of the lace. I'm right on, you guys, and I know everybody is obsessed with having like a flawless application of your frontal and not seeing any lace at all, but realistically it's still lace. So if you're dead on me, like right in my face like this, you're gonna see that it's lace, but from a distance, it looks very natural. And even me being right on you right now, it looks very natural as well. I did trim the ends of it because the ends looked a little bit ratty, so I just trimmed them, and I think it looks a lot more healthy this way. The closure, I believe, was 16 inches, and I do like having my closure, well, the frontal is 16 inches, and I do like having my frontals and closures shorter than the bundles, so you do get some kind of like built-in layers. And I did go back and trim up the bang area a little bit more. The hair did feel a little bit dry after I washed it and blow dried it, and it had like a lot of like flyaways and stuff, but it looks and feels really nice right now after I flat ironed it. I'm on my bed, so it's not as easy as when I'm in my chair. So this is what it looks like, and I hope you guys can see that. That's what it looks like in the back. Overall, I think this hair is beautiful. I think I did a great job with customizing the front of it. Baby hairs, I don't feel like I need them, but in certain lighting I can still see lace. Like when it's low light, I can still see my lace, but I think this is pretty good overall. I want to thank Ali Pearl for sending me this hair and having patience with me, because it did take me a while to get this up, but I'm on summer break and the turnaround for videos is going to be a lot faster. You guys don't care about that, but the hair companies do. I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.